course, we know it's a good side. They are playing home with their home supporters, but I think the boys have prepared quite well. We are ready for the big game tomorrow, and we are optimistic for positive results. We played some good friendlies in build-up in preparation for this, and now the serious games begin. Like you said, the mood is quite well, and the boys have prepared physically, mentally, and we know it's not going to be an easy side. But these kind of games, you have to play them and you have to win them if you want to qualify for the FIFA World Cup. So tomorrow we are going to give our level best, and we hope we are going to make Kenyans proud.
For us, because comparing to the other games, our back line is totally missing. So it starts by goalkeeper Brian Odiambo, Daniel Anyembe, Brian Mandela, Colin Sheehan, Joseph Okumu, Eric Uma Marcelo. So this is really tough for us because we played all the time together. These players start to enjoy the time together, so this means tomorrow we will play with a team which never played together. Many players who never played together. This is of course difficult, and but in the end there will be 11 Kenyan boys on the field who will give their best. About this I'm sure. Yeah, they have to understand that this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So, and it takes more than 2 years till it's finished. Therefore, it's not, we want to start well, this is no question about it, but most important is how we finish. It's more important how we finish than we start. This is all around, like I said, about the result in the end.
Only a minute, 50 seconds to go. 50 seconds to go.
Na